Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to know that how to fix allow Instagram to access camera and microphone on Android, then here's how to do it. First, if you find this message prompted on your camera, then you can just go to the settings by tap on this open settings option, or you can just go to the settings by tap on the settings option here, the settings application. Now you can just scroll down until you find the apps here. Now search for Instagram. Here it is. Now from here tap on permissions. Now you have to give the permission to access your camera and microphone. Here you can see the allowed option, here allowed section here, and here it is that are not allowed to use by Instagram. So here you can see in this list you will find camera and microphone. You can just tap on camera and select allow only while using the app. So it will allow to access the access that can Instagram use while you use the Instagram app on your device. Then do the same for the microphone. Here it is. Now you can see the camera and microphone is on the allowed section. Now if I go to the camera again, then you can find that it has just opened the camera and the camera is now running properly actually, and the microphone also will be easily accessible by the Instagram. So that's how you can just fix it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.